Hey guys, today we're going to teach you how to use the Hairtox. If you have curly hair, you know how important it is to take care of your scalp. That's where the Hairtox comes in. In this video, we're going to talk about how to use the monthly scalp detox, your Hairtox, in your curly hair routine. First, start by wetting your hair and your scalp. Mix 2 scoops of the Hairtox with water in a non-metallic bowl. Let it soak for a minute. Apply the generous amount of Hairtox on your scalp and massage it with your fingertips for 2 to 3 minutes. Remember to not use your nails as it can cause microtears. Use a scalp massager for better and thorough cleansing. It helps to stimulate blood flow and exfoliate the scalp. Then, rinse the Hairtox out of your hair properly. We suggest using Hairtox once a month in between your regular wash days. This helps to keep your scalp healthy and clean and can even extend the time between washes for some curly hairs. Remember, a healthy scalp is the foundation of healthy hair. So don't forget to include Hairtox in your curly hair routine to keep your scalp and hair healthy and happy. Thank you for watching.